Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now a look at the headlines. Government may scrap no detention policy, expulsion of students not to be permitted. HRD Ministry to take final call in December. Experts in Goa submit suggestions. Mapsa Urban Cooperative Bank was advised to merge with larger bank invest in government securities. Bank did not listen, RBI tells court, says embargo as per law. Children's Court grants anticipatory bail to accused teacher in Seolim student rape case. Order accused to remain present at police station for 5 days. (7/11) Mumbai train blast verdict, 12 men convicted, 1 acquitted. And speedy winger Romeo Fernandes has potential to make FC Goa fly in second Indian Super League. Local boy Romeo's talent appreciated by Zico in inaugural ISL. Now the news in detail. Government may scrap clause of no detention till 8th standard from RTE. Most of the states had demanded to scrap this clause during National Education Convention in Delhi as they have realized that students are taking exams and education for granted. Education experts from Goa too have suggested state government should scrap no detention clause while retaining no expulsion clause from section 16 of the RTE. Considering the state reports, Union HRD Ministry will take a final call by December.
Right to Education Act Section 16 says that no students should be detained till 8th standard and no students should be expelled from school. Students, rather than benefiting from this provision, are found misusing the RTE. Students are not taking up their studies seriously. The attendance has also dropped. Moreover, there is no proper attendance during exams. The exams are being taken casually. The parents have also started complaining to schools. Students who are promoted till 8th standard suffer badly in 9th and 10th standard. Schools are battling this problem. Most of the states are almost unanimous on reviewing the system.
Section 16 जे RTE ते असे म्हणतात की no child shall be held back or expelled till the completion of elementary education असे ते क्लॉज म्हणतात. आता त्या क्लॉजाक आमी क्लॉज सेक्शन म्हणजे ते सेक्शन काढून उडोवचे असो आमचो डिमांड आहा. आमी अशें म्हणटा की देर शूड बी अमेंडमेंट. म्हणजे आमी एकदां कितें जालें की जेन्ना येयलो RTE तेन्ना आमी एज्युकेशन डिपार्टमेंटाक पत्र बरयलें एज अ हेडमास्टर एसोसिएशन आनी जर भुरग्यांनी क्लासी अटेंड केल्यो ना जाल्यार अशें कितें करप जाल्यार आमकां आज रिप्लाय जेन्ना येयली इन रायटींग येयली आमकां डिपार्टमेंटा कडल्यान की यू हॅव टू प्रमोट म्हणजे विदाउट अटेंडिंग क्लासीस इफ यू अटेंड अ क्लास ओनली फॉर 1 day देन ऑल्सो वील हॅव टू प्रमोट विदाउट आन्सरींग एनी एक्झामिनेशन्स.
थोडे भुरगे असे आसा की तेजो
गैरफायदो घेतात म्हणून त्या खातीर
4-member education committee in Goa comprising of Goa Headmasters Association, NEIAM Association, education expert Pandurang Nadkarni and education department officer Jose Gomes has suggested amendments in section 16 of Right to Education. Committee's suggestions to amend section 16 in Right to Education is as follows.
Amendment म्हणटा आसा की 2 पार्ट आसता. नो चाइल्ड शुड बी हेल्ड बॅक and expelled. सो एक्सपेल ते आसा फक्त हेल्ड बॅक आसा पळय तो एक शब्द तो 2 शब्द ते हितूंतल्यान काडचे अशा प्रकारचो एक आमी आमचे जे मेंबरान
म्हणजे सामको हेजेर भुरगो आहा सामको काडटा जाल्यार म्हणजे तो फेल जावंक शकता ते अमेंडमेंट केल्यार.
हय म्हणजे काटार आसूं न्ही तो कारण तो पास जातलो कित्याक CCE जर आमी वेवस्थीत इम्प्लिमेंट केले टिचरांक मातशें मोटिवेट केले जाल्यार 100% भुरगे पास जातले. फक्त कोण जावचे ना जे भुरगे एग्जामीक येना किंवा टिचर्स जर रेमेडियलाक आपयलो किंवा टिचर्स जेन्ना कारण आमकां री एग्जाम्स घेवपाचो जो हें आसा म्हणजे तो भुरगो पास जायसर आमकां एग्जाम घेवपाचो हें दिल्लो आसा गायडन्स दिल्लो आसा तेका जर कोणी कॉपरेटूच करपाचें ना अशें थरयलें आसा किंवा कोण येयलोच ना स्कुलान जाल्यार तेच केसीस उरतल्यो अदरवायज सगळ्यो क्लियर जावंक शकता. म्हणजे थोडेशें टिचरांक मोटिवेट करची आवश्यकता आसा कित्याक टिचरांक कशें कारण RTEन कितें केलां की तो भुरगो फुडें वयतलो एकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी टिचरीक घातला ती उरतलीच जरी तो हेल्ड बॅक उरलो ना जाल्यार बाकीचे CCEन कारण खुबशे स्कोप आसा असो जो त्या टिचर री एग्जाम किंवा ताका परत तें रिमेडियल टिचिंग्स घेवन फुडें हाडपा खातीर प्रयत्न करूं शकता.
Committee has suggested amendment in no detention policy but has no objection with continuing CCE module. These are committee's suggestions on CCE module. Government should train teachers on CCE. Each class should have only 30 students max. Students should have activity room and other facilities. Schools should conduct classes for whole day. Parents should be informed on CCE.
CCEन आमी म्हटलं की गोंयान कशें आसा गोंयान CCEचें हें सारकें जायना इम्प्लिमेंटेशन. त्या खातीर तें सारकें जावपा खातीर जें टिचरांचें मोटिवेशन आवश्यक आसा. म्हणजे टिचर करपाक तयार आसता पूण जे तरेचे गायडन्स दिवपाक जाय तितलो इन्सेंटीव जावना. कारण सर्व शिक्षा अभियानान आमचे कडेन केले पळय वर्कशॉप ते टिक मार्क वर्कशॉप जाले. म्हणजे तेजे इंटेन्सीव वर्कशॉप जे जावपाक जाय आशिल्ले ते जाले ना. आनी त्या खातीर ती CCE जे आमच्या सगळ्यांच्या हितून येवपाक जाय आशिल्ली मागीर ते प्रत्यक्षान येवपा खातीर प्रॅक्टिकल येवपा खातीर थोडेशें गळ्यान उतरपाक जाय न्ही तें जालें ना.
सो ते वर्कशॉप परत
तशें जावचें परत आतां इंटेन्सीव वर्कशॉप जावचें. कारण आतां 4 वर्सां जालीं म्हणटकीर सादारण टिचरांकूय कळ्ळें एक्झॅक्ट कितें आसा तें आनी तें जावचे खातीर थोडेशें आनी मोटिवेशनच मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टंट पार्ट आसा तितून.
Few committee members have also raised issue of compulsory attendance for students. Right to education is not clear on exact number of days a student should compulsorily attend a school. Committee member Pandurang Nadkarni feels that compulsory attendance limit of students should be brought down to 75% from 90% and in unavoidable circumstances it should be brought down to 60%.
हय आमी म्हटलां की अटेंडन्स आसची म्हणून पण कितें तरी मिनिमम तेका हें आसचें. पूण आतां गोवा बोर्डाचें पळयत जाल्यार 75% आसा. इन सम केसीस वी आर अलाउड टू रिलॅक्स. म्हणजे फॉर एक्झाम्पल फॉर मेडिकल ग्राउंड्स करता अप टू 60% सुद्दां अलाउड करता. तशेंच मागीर तें रिलॅक्सेशन मेळटा. आतां तशे प्रकारचें रिलॅक्सेशन दिवं येता.
The clause of no detention of students has boomeranged on parents and schools too. Union HRD Ministry has given 15 days time for states to submit suggestions on CCE and no detention policy. Union HRD Ministry has decided to take a final call on the no detention policy by December. Senior reporter Lokik Shilkar for Prudent.
Reserve Bank of India, before imposing financial embargo on Mapsa Urban Cooperative Bank, had suggested it to merge with one of the major banks. The remedy was suggested considering bank's weak financial position, but the bank ignored RBI's suggestion. The bank also ignored RBI's suggestion to invest in government securities. RBI informed this to the court. High Court will continue hearing Mapsa Urban Cooperative Bank's plea challenging financial ban of RBI on Monday.
During the hearing before the High Court on Friday, Counsel for Reserve Bank of India contended that review of financial position of Mapsa Urban Cooperative Bank has been going on since 2012. Time to time, RBI was suggesting Mapsa Urban Cooperative Bank to improve the deteriorating condition of the bank. Some major suggestions were like to merge Mapsa Urban Cooperative Bank with some larger bank and invest in government securities. But the bank ignored the suggestions. Rather than investing in government securities, the bank chose to grant loan to earn from interest. The High Court asked RBI that on what basis RBI has fixed limit of 1,000 rupees withdrawal limit to customers of Mapsa Urban Cooperative Bank. RBI contended that after auditing the accounts of the bank, it took the decision about embargo as per RBI manual. The High Court, while adjourning the hearing for Monday, has directed RBI to place RBI manual to evaluate rationale of the financial embargo on the Mapsa Urban Cooperative Bank. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
The Children's Court has granted conditional anticipatory bail to the accused teacher in the COLM student rape case. He has been asked to remain present at the police station for 5 days. Girl is studying in the 4th standard. While a group of ex-students and some locals claim it to be a conspiracy to defame the teacher and the school, the locals from the victim's village demand arrest of the teacher.
The accused teacher in Shioli rape case has been granted anticipatory bail. Children's Court on Friday granted him bail on a bail bond of 15,000 rupees. The accused teacher has to report to Anjuna police station for 5 days. It is also ordered that the accused cannot tamper with the evidence. Prudent caught up with the accused teacher's counsel, but he refused to speak. Ex-students and fellow locals of teacher claim that the complaint is false and just a conspiracy to defame the teacher and the school, while the locals from victim's village have demanded immediate arrest of the teacher. Lokik Shilkar with Tulsidas Chari for Prudent.
The High Court has adjourned hearing on Crime Branch's plea challenging anticipatory bail to Digambar Kamath for Monday. During the hearing on Friday, prosecution contended that special court perversely granted anticipatory bail on the ground for violation of Section 41 of CRPC. As per Section 41 is not applicable in Digambar's case. Reasons in the case diary under Section 41 ought to be recorded at the time of arrest and not before arrest as observed by the special court. Prosecution also contended that Digambar is an MLA and former CM and has capacity to tamper with evidences. Prosecution will continue its argument on Monday and defense will reply on Wednesday. Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.